Morning student. Today I am going to recapitulate the chapter Greenland, the land of the snow. So let's start the chapter. First of all, I want to discuss the land and location. Actually, Greenland is situated on the Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle, as we have already discussed in the last chapter, that Arctic Circle is situated on the North Pole and the South Pole. So Greenland is situated on the Arctic Circle on the North Pole, and the Greenland's name is given by Norse explorer Eric. Eric Red has given this name Greenland. Due to situated on the frigid zone, the climate of Greenland as a polar climate. 80% of the Greenland is covered with the ice and snow throughout the year. South part of the Greenland is the warmest part of this country. So most of the populations are situated in the southern part. The capital of Greenland is Nuuk. Earlier Nuuk was known as a Gotthard. Now Gotthard's name has changed and it became Nuuk. Now let's discuss about the people of the Greenland. Today Greenland population is about 56,000 people. Has a mixed population made up of mostly of Inuits and European. Inuits, the word here is used Inuits. Inuits is the original habitat of the Greenland. Inuits or Eskimos. Okay, they live very tough life. They wear parka. They live in a igloo. The main occupations of Eskimos are hunting and so on things. People use there's harpoons and bow and arrow for the hunting. Harpoon is a type of instrument which is used for hunting. Bow and arrow is also a type of instrument which is used for the hunting. Most of the time people use water transport. They kayak. Kayak is a type of a boat which is made up of skin of the animals, and only one people can travel at one time. There is another boat is also, that is Omiak. Omiak is a type of boat which is broader boat. People use this boat to carry children and women for one place to the another place. People of Greenland use sleighs also for travel one place to another. Earlier, sleighs was pulled by the huskies. Huskies is a type of dog. So earlier it was pulled by the huskies, but nowadays they have a motorized sleighs also, that is known as skidoo. People live in igloo. Igloo means the house which is made up of ice and snow sheet. It keeps their temperature warm. So they live in a igloo. They live in a topig also. Topig is a type of tent which is made up of skin of animal. Some animals are found in Greenland, which is these animals are like reindeer, seal, polar. So many animals are found. These animals can survive due to the blubber. Blubber is a layer of fat which is found under the skin of the animal, which keeps their body warm. So that's why this type of animals can survive there. Main occupations of Greenland is agriculture. Main occupation of Greenland is hunting. Sorry, agriculture is not a main occupations of a Greenland. Hunting is the main occupations of a Greenland, because very few agriculture have done there, very less agriculture due to the polar climate. Hunting is the main occupations in the Greenland. Some animals are found like a reindeer, Arctic fox, polar bear, walrus, seal. This type of animals are found there. Now the life of Greenland has changed a lot. They have started adopting modern means of hunt. They are access to modern machineries as well as radio, TV, steam, knives, motorized sleighs like Koliskido. They use motorboats for fishing. They have a hospitals, shop, college, school in many towns. There is a provision for compulsory computer education for children up to 14 years. I think I have recapitulated this chapter. In the next video, we will discuss some new words of this chapter. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.